Hi again, everybody. 3:15. A very warm good afternoon. Not warm in terms of temperature and stuff, but generally speaking, the weather is getting better and better. And I think we are, in a way, almost going to be out of winters very soon and stuff and all that. Justin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design, we're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And since the weekend is here, so a very quickly posed question or a question I'm going to ask you is, what are your plans for the weekend and stuff? So if you've got no plans and stuff, I've got a few things here. I got inspired to kind of share something from an article that I read, and the first thing that came to my mind was, "यहाँ पहुँचेंगे कैसे?" Yeah. So now, luckily, the bans are over and stuff. I believe only cars which are above 15 years older will not be plying on the road, and cars 10 years older, diesel, will not be plying on the road. Anyways, I'm not updated on it and stuff, but one tip I can give you is that before you venture into the city from uh, outside Delhi NCR, if you're not updated, is to call up these Delhi traffic police guys. They're extremely helpful, except for once when they messed up. I asked them thrice and they were not able to give me the correct information. Till the time a lady police wala answered the question and she said, "Yes, you can go." This was the day when I was supposed to get my award at the uh, High Commission of Sri Lanka. That's when they told me that the bans are still on and stuff, and the lady actually asked me in details and stuff, and then she told me, yes, I'm allowed to take my car. So I took my car, and I was very convenient. So now, what are the plans for the weekend? If you have no plans, first of all, we've got the Delhi Rum Circle happening. So I've been with the Delhi Rum Circle since 2009, 2008. So we've got a marathon initiative happening which is supporting cancer, and it's now that it's happening, I'm dedicating it to one of my family members. We lost him, uh, you know, recently, and he had this unfortunate illness and stuff. So, anyways, it's there are lots and lots of people who go through this, and also I follow Buddhism, so we pray for a lot of people, and there are lots and lots of positive stories, and we know lots of celebrities and people in my Buddhism group have overcome a lot of diseases and illnesses and stuff thanks to miracles and prayers and stuff. So do join us for this marathon, which is happening at JLN Stadium on 8th, 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. You can get the details on my wall, social media, Facebook and Instagram. If you have no plans, then probably you can try and be a like a tourist. What do foreigners do? What do people do? So there's so many times I just generally leave my car and I take a metro and I go and I just explore the city and stuff. So try doing that, and I can give you a few tips here. I got inspired from this article that you could do a few things like visiting a landmark, eating out like a stranger, going for shopping, just kind of looking at some street music, or you know kind of just visiting a park maybe, or a museum or something, or just kind of doing nothing actually, walking in maybe the neighborhoods, the street lanes and stuff of Old Delhi. Or if you go to CP, you've got Janpat happening, or you've got like a place of Chabar. Or if you're much into photography, go towards Old Delhi, or go towards this Gurgaon side. You've got lots and lots of places. Qutub Minar. One place which happened to me was this Chanakyapuri side. You've got so many museums and stuff to go to and stuff. So lots of stuff happening. And what happens is, when you eat out or you go to the Hoskas Lane, there's so much to explore, there's so much to do. Janpat, as a matter of fact, have so many places to eat, so many places to shop, and you actually feel like a tourist because they've got all these shops where you can buy jewelry, you can buy designer boxes, and you've got these emporiums and stuff, and you can walk into the five-star hotels. If you want to do some really expensive shopping, you've got the most expensive of hotels there. My favorite, they've got the Imperial there, you've got the Janpat there, you've got Intercontinental there. You've got a lot of hotels there, so you can do so much there. And if nothing else, on Priory, of course, is a church. So they've got a church there. You can do so much there. There are lots and lots of parks there to go to. There are lots and lots of open spaces to booze and to enjoy food and stuff. There's music happening on the streets and stuff. And the best part is they're all connected by metro. So make a plan for your weekend. We're on a Friday. Try doing it. And if that's too far for you, then the best thing about Delhi is because if you're on a metro route, or if you don't even go in a metro, you have so much to do in Delhi. And there are these photography groups, or there are these biker groups, and there are these drummer groups and stuff. They've got gigs happening, they've got comedy happening, and they've got jazz happening, and they've got art shows happening and stuff. And of course, nothing works go for a movie. And the best part is, if you now go by a metro, I would love to do that, the metro thingy, because obviously, I've driven so much during the weekend stuff. If you go by metro, now the face of Delhi is also changed. It's like an international country or a city. You've got so many places to eat. You've got baristas, you've got Costa Coffee, you've got McDonald's, and you've got KFCs and stuff. You've got lots and lots of places, and you got everything available. You can ignore the crowd by getting off maybe one stop before, or maybe one stop further, and then you can just walk down, or probably whatever. If you want to be like a tourist, or you want to be like someone exploring the city, that's what they do. Walk a lot. So try doing this. This is going to help you discover the city, and you don't have to feel guilty about not going to your gym, or missing on your aerobics or your yoga or whatever. And what do fitness freaks and enthusiasts in health do? They run, they walk, they cycle, they drink a lot of water. So carry a water bottle with you and explore and enjoy the sun and stuff. So love and luck and take care. Have fun, have a blast. And on that note, Hakuna Matata. And remember to stay hydrated. And remember to also, if you like coffee, you can explore coffee. Take a book along with you. You can do a lot of reading. If you go alone, probably you can just be on one of the benches, do some reading. And if you've got good company there, you can always exchange notes on some books and stuff, because there's some amazing libraries also on that side of the city, which is CP. And of course, there are places like India Habitat Center, then there is City Fort happening, and then there is so much. Delhi is amazing. Go to a mall otherwise, or go to Khan Market or Moolchand, or so much happening. Believe me, yeah, you got to be in Delhi to really enjoy the city. And the weather is also changing for the better. So wishing everybody a fantastic weekend. Make it the best, and you know, forget traffic. It's everywhere in all parts of the country and stuff. There's no city which doesn't have traffic, unless you're in a city which has got less people, and you're in a hill station or stuff. If they don't have metros, they've got trams and stuff. So think international, and try be a tourist, or try be a visitor to your own city, and then you start feeling good about your city. Mindset, outlook, attitude. It's the way you look at it. Take care, love and luck. Bye bye. Hakuna Matata. Bye.